Okay. RYOBI 18-inch broken chain. Well, bad chain, let's say. We can put other chains on, but we're not supposed to tell you that. Because of the teeth up here has a different type of grabbing mechanism from one bar to the other, so you're not supposed to be able to change it. There are some companies that you can get away with it if you know who and what and why, but I'm not supposed to tell you that. But yeah, this is what was fixed this morning, or working on fixed. Owner went to go get new chain, so this one can be replaced. Cause there's a. Say that again.
Has a bent link in it.
Okay, has a bent link. He specifies. He's the chainsaw specialist and small engine specialist. I know nothing about these things. He knows more about that. He fixes them a lot. There's some more over there. Owner should also, for the record, use more chain bar oil. We found out that he does not put enough of it in there. For the record, as the chainsaw small engine specialist specifies, that is supposed to be topped off every time you top off the fuel. So if you own a chainsaw and you are not doing that, you know, electric chainsaw people are supposed to do it every single time they fire it up. If you're not doing that properly, you will mess up your chain. So please, for the love of all that is all, make sure you put your oil in your chainsaw. We do not need to fix them just because you were not listening to the words that were coming out of the mechanic's mouth.